Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have a new update from the openSUSE world. openSUSE has released Agama 21, the latest version of its modern web-based installer. Agama is being developed as a new installation system for openSUSE, and it is mainly used with openSUSE Tumbleweed and openSUSE Slowroll. The goal is to make the Linux installation process more modern, flexible, and easier to maintain. The main highlight of Agama 21 is improved network management. This means users should get a better and smoother experience while configuring network settings during installation. This release also improves support for system boot, giving users another modern bootloader option instead of relying only on traditional choices. Along with that, Agama 21 includes several bug fixes and smaller improvements that make the installer more stable and polished. The web-based design of Agama is also important because it gives openSUSE a more future-ready installer. It can be easier to update, easier to customize, and more user-friendly for both beginners and advanced Linux users. So overall, Agama 21 is not a huge flashy release, but it is an important step forward for openSUSE's future installation experience. If you are an openSUSE user, especially on Tumbleweed or Slowroll, this is definitely something worth keeping an eye on. That's it for today's quick Linux update. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.